Hello, this is Kaki from Kakislife. Welcome to our beautiful and happy subscribers. Today we're going to cook a traditional Filipino dish. It's a chicken soup, and I hope you like it. So let's get started. Our ingredients are spinach, chayote, I have garlic and ginger, then I have cooking oil, onion, 2 pounds chicken, and we have fish sauce or salt if you don't have it. So I'm heating up our skillet. So when I'm cooking tinola chicken soup, I wanted to put the ginger and the garlic together just to even out the browning of the garlic and the ginger, because it's the initial heat of the pan that I wanted to have. I don't want to put first the ginger and then put the garlic. So I want this, even like this, to infuse the flavor of both in the oil. And then I'll put the onions. Saute for like 3 minutes. This is a favorite Filipino dish. Like every Filipino know how to cook chicken tinola. So at this point, we're gonna put our chicken. When I cook chicken tinola, I want to brown the chicken a little bit, just kind of fry, because I wanted to have that color. And then I'll put the fish sauce, or you can put like a third of a teaspoon, or just a little amount of salt. And then we cover it for like 10-12 minutes. We'll check it. See, I like that brown color of the chicken. And then we'll put like 1 1/2 cups of water. So I want the chicken to be really cooked, not well done cook. So we'll add the ground pepper. So when this boils, we'll wait this to boil. We cover it, and that's when I will put the chayote. I don't want initially to put together, because I don't want the chayote to be overcooked. So now it's boiling like this, so it means our chicken is almost ready. And then I put the chayote. It's good to cook the chayote just half cooked, not soggy. So we cover it for maybe 5 minutes. So you would know once you poke it with a fork, and it's kind of tender, so it's good. So you see on the side of the skillet, there's chicken fat or oil. We need to toss that too, because sometimes you buy a chicken and it's too fat, so you wanted to take the oil out of the dish that you're making. This is good with steamed rice too. Whatever steamed rice you have, we use jasmine brown rice. You can also use regular rice. And then with a side of fish sauce with a little spicy pepper. Yummy. So back in the day when my mom cooks this, I'm like, oh wow, it really smells so good. So now we're ready to taste to see if we're still gonna add more seasoning. So at this point, it's perfect. So we're gonna put the spinach. I don't want to incorporate the spinach with the whole dish. I want it to just steam a little bit. So we cover it with the lid. And at this point we'll turn off our stove. And let the steam cook the spinach. It's very easy to cook. And delicious too. So now it's ready. I put it in the dining table. And see how that looks yummy. I mean, the spinach is not soggy. It's not dark brown. The leaves is not really dark. So I like it like this. So let's say if you didn't finish it, you wanted to eat it again tomorrow. So you can add more spinach, like the fresh spinach. So it doesn't look like it's been cooked, the night before, which is nothing wrong with that too. But my own personal preference, I wanted the spinach to look more green than dark green. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope you liked the video that we made for you. Now we're ready to eat. See how that looks so good? So remember, life is wonderful. Be happy, stay healthy. This is Kaki from Kakislife. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on one of our video.